towards Muscat. So this is Sohar Gate. So we are leaving our city Sohar now, and see how beautiful this gate. Usually when we are changing the vilayats or going to other place, so this gate is supposed to be there. So this is our Sohar Gate. So we are leaving, and this Sohar city. So beautifully they made an evening. You will see the lighting, so it will be more beautiful. You see the beautiful. So let's go ahead and enjoy the music. Okay. Hi friends. So on the way to Muscat, there is one very good Wadi Al Hukain. This is a very good spot to visit with the family. So this next roundabout which is coming, this is also Baya roundabout, and from there you have to take it Al Suwaik roundabout. From here you have to take 32 kilometer to Wadi Al Hukain. So before it was very good roundabout there, the greenery and all that, but now they are modifying something. So just so the right. So this is the right side. From here you have to take straight right side. Just take 32 kilometer for the Wadi Al Hukain. Very beautiful place with the very good water and clean water. Thank you. Muscat. This is the another big city, Barka, and Al Rustaq. Al Rustaq fort is very famous. There is hard water spring is also there. Nakal fort is also there. So this is the way. From here you can take the right from the down. No need to go climb on the bridge. From the down you see the names in the board is written there. See. So this we are heading towards Muscat. So this is also good place. Let's see the right side. So this is the road which is going Al Nada Resorts, Nakal Ports, and Rustaq Forts. Good place. So this is the beautiful place. This is Barka city. So now we are crossing the Barka. So nice, good shops. You will see right hand sides, new showrooms for clothes. So let's enjoy music again. So we are entering Muscat. See, left side now is fountain, and this is the jail, very big. And see this because of the national days, holiday. See all everywhere you see the flags of Oman. So this is the lush green, very beautiful place. Both sides you see how they are maintaining nicely, neat, clean. See greenery, palm beaches, palm trees are here. You can see the right side, left side. So this is how. So we are entering in Muscat. So let's enjoy Muscat. This is the another monument of Muscat. This is the Sultan Qaboos Mosque. Very good and famous mosque in the world map. So someday we will take you inside also. So now just from the outside, since we are having the only Muscat trip, see the beautiful flowers and all that. And this is how, this is the Grand Mosque Muscat. So we'll take you from the back side. There is entry. We'll take you someday. So now let's heading towards first to Krishna Temple. Okay. So these all are Lulu Grand Malls. Beautiful. You see the weather is also very good. So still we have to drive about 13 to 14 minutes more. We cannot go more than 100, 120 here. And see the beautiful lightings. Because of the National Day, you focus on this tunnel. Night it will be very good. So someday we will see the night view also. Krishna Temple, Muscat parking, and do you know because of COVID these temples are closed, so I will just stop there to take you, and somewhere we will take you inside, but not today This is the temple. You see the flag, it is flying. This is the Krishna temple. So this is the entry of Krishna temple mandir, but now everything is closed because of this corona. So just to show you, we came here. So now we are again heading towards Ruby. Okay, so this is the entrance. From here you can enter. Now it is closed. You see the gate. It is written okay.